In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and organize your life with the new Notion calendar. By the end, you'll have a clean calendar setup, a clear naming system, and a simple flow for adding meetings, inviting people, and viewing your schedule the way you like it. Start inside Notion. In the top left, create a new page. This page will be the home for your calendar, so think of it as your planning hub. Before you add anything, open the page options by clicking the three dots at the bottom. This is where you can adjust how the page behaves and choose the structure that fits your needs. From the available options, choose Calendar. This converts the page into a calendar database, giving you a visual timeline for tasks, events, and deadlines. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name, something like personal planning, team calendar, or content schedule. Consistent naming makes it easier to host and share later. Next, click Manage in Calendar. This opens the Notion Calendar app experience tied to your page, so everything you create stays connected to your workspace. It's a great bridge between your Notion databases and your day-to-day scheduling. Now, let's add your first event. In the Notion Calendar window, click Create New Event at the top left. Pick the date and time that makes sense. You can always drag and drop events later if plans change. Type an event name that's short and action-oriented, like Weekly Review or Project Kickoff, so it's easy to scan at a glance. Open the conferencing field to attach a meeting link. Choose either Zoom or Google Meet based on what you or your team uses. Once connected, Notion will generate the link for you. No need to jump between tools. Add participants so everyone gets the invite. Start typing names or addresses and select the right people. This helps confirm availability early and keeps all details in one place. Use the description area to add an agenda, goals, or any links and notes you'll need. The more context you include here, the smoother your meeting will run, and you won't be hunting for files at the last minute. At the top of Notion Calendar, switch to the week view for a structured overview of your time. If you need a tighter focus for deep work, toggle to day. For long-term planning, switch to month. Move between these views as your planning horizon changes. That's it. Your Notion calendar is ready. Create, link, invite, and plan with confidence, all in one organized place.